JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And we got to take this cover off right here. So we're going to do that with a screwdriver and try to go in here and pop it off because it's loose. Okay, so we gently pop that off. And it seems that these two screws down here have to be tightened up. So we're going to do that with the driver set that I have right down there. So it's nice and tight now. I guess those screws had worked their way out. And see the nibs here? That's how this pops on. It just snaps on like that. Like that. And it's all done. So that's how you fix and tighten up your rail, handicap rail, by the toilet. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. And have a great day. I said that already. Sorry, guys.